Good morning and welcome back to my channel. I've never been a big proponent of seed saving, but with the prices of everything going up, I may have to change my mind on that and my views on that. Today, I'm going to take some okra that I have allowed to dry out, and I'm going to show you how I save the seeds. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is my seed saver pouch that I ordered off of Amazon. It has 200 pouches or spaces for me to save seeds. It also came with these seed saving envelopes like this. There's paper over the Mylar bag. So when I saw this, I was, oh, cool. I have to have it. So these are some of the okra that I allowed to dry out. This is the Ukrainian variety of okra that I have mentioned previously in other videos. These are pretty dry. I have some that are not, so we're going to sit those to the side. And what I'm going to do is just crack it open, pretty much. And there should be a lot of seeds in all of these. Okay, so out of this one pod, I have about 25 seeds. And we're going to go through and do the same for each of the pods. That's 3. Four. And 5. Okay, these are the Mylar bags, and as you can see on the front, I've written what they contain. This is the Ukrainian okra and the date. And I think in each of these, I'm going to put about 20 seeds for now, and we'll see how that goes. Okay, I actually put 30. And we're going to go ahead and do that for. So we've gotten all of them in the bags, and we were able to get 6 bags with 30 seeds in, and we have 2 bags with I don't know how many in, because I just took the container and poured half in each bag, or what I thought was half in each bag. So now I'm just going to go ahead and put these in their little sleeve. Okay, and we're done. I don't know if I'm going to every time I save seeds have that many to save, or anything like that. And I'm not sure if what I will save in the future. If you guys have any suggestions as far as saving seeds, um, let me know. If I get a lot of them, I may go ahead and put them on my website. And if you're interested in purchasing some of them, I'll go ahead and put them on, and you can buy some. So until next time, I want to thank you for coming along on my first foray into seed saving. Um, Seems like it will be beneficial and um, financially easier to go ahead and save my seeds. So I'm going to have to consider doing that. If you guys got anything out of the video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take this moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables by myself, but I can't grow the channel without your help. If you do subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. You can share my content as well. Leave me a comment in the comment section of the video, and I'll go ahead and reply back to it. You can also reach me on my Facebook group, Small Space Gardening, where you can mingle with like-minded individuals such as yourself that love gardening, but only limited by small space. So until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a lot of food for yourself and your family. Stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, always remember to give thanks to God, for without him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care.